Hello, my kindergarten and first grade students, or I could say my kindergarten and first grade friends. You guys, I really miss you. You have no idea. But it really makes me feel happy to hear that a lot of you are doing well in your work. You're getting it done, and that makes me happier than you can imagine. I know some of you are struggling to get it done, but I know it's hard to be at home and do schoolwork. It's just not normally how we do things. So I understand. But let's try to get our stuff done so that we continue to learn. And so when we do come back to school, we're not behind. Okay? All right. And I hope you guys are enjoying the weather. I know this week is supposed to be pretty nice and be a great time to be outside and play. Last week it was kind of cool off and on, but anyway, enjoy the time with your family, okay? All right. Okay, this week we are going to be practicing the number 5, the number 6, the number 7, and the number 8. So if you remember our rhyme, okay, for number 5, it goes, go down and around, then you stop. Finish the 5 with a line on top. And if you see this, it has a 1 that says go down, and a 2 that says go around, and a 3 that has you finish the top. Okay? So it's going to be down and around, and you stop. Okay? So it's down and around, then you stop. Finish the 5 with a line on top. All right, and remember, for each number, there's a page that you trace, and this is the word 5, F-I-V-E. Okay, so there's a page where you trace things, and then you're going to trace the word, and then there's a page where you get to practice on your own and show us how you can do your very, very best, okay? And that some of you guys have been so impressed with how nice and neat you do your writing. And remember, writing numbers is another way of communicating, okay? All right. So, next number, what comes after 5? Hey, it's 6. So, our rhyme for 6 is make a curve and then a loop. There are no tricks to making a 6. All right. So, I'm going to make my curve and then my loop, okay? So I made a curve and then, ooh, I looped it off, okay? Make a curve, then a loop. There are no tricks to making a 6. Okay, so when we look back at this, okay, and this is the word 6. S-I-X is 6, okay? And if you see here, for each one of these, they have the number, a number of things, and this time it's butterflies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right? Okay, remember, there's a page to trace and a page to practice. And also, remember, you only have to do one number a day, plus another sheet, okay? I do hope you're practicing your counting. I put back my counting, or my daily video somehow got deleted. So I put it back on, and on that video it shows counting to 100, counting to 100 by tens and by fives, and we go over the number rhymes, the months of the year, and the days of the week, okay? These are things we have to keep practicing, so all you have to do is watch that video, and you can just follow along with me, all right? Okay, next we have number 7. All right, and here we go. And, okay, so they have a 1 going this way. Across the sky and down from heaven. That's the way to make a 7. But actually, I pointed the wrong way, because we're going to go across the sky this way and down to make 7. And look at our pictures this time. They look like balls of yarn or string. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them. And this is the word 7. S-E-V-E-N. Okay, so we're going to practice it, and we're going to write it. Okay, 7. Okay, and I'm sorry I messed up there showing you the wrong way to go. It's upside down. It's sometimes hard for me to do it the right way. Okay, so here's 7. Across the sky and down from heaven. Okay. Then the last number for this week is 8. Okay. So for 8, our rhyme is, sorry, it's backwards. Make an S, see the arrow? Make an S. But do not wait. Go back up to make an 8. Okay, so I made my S, but I'm not going to stop there. I'm going to keep going to make my 8. Okay. All right, 8. This is a word that does not play by the rules, okay? But this is how we write it. E-I-G-H-T, okay? E-I-G-H-T spells 8. We get to practice it, we get to write it, the word, and practice some more. Okay? Okay, next we're going to talk about our addition sheet. Now I've been having you guys use the touch numbers, and I think for a lot of you that works really well. I'm hearing some of you guys have forgotten how to do it. So we're going to go over a few of them, and then we'll go over how you can do them a different way. Okay, so the first one is 5 plus 9. And remember what I can't remember if it was last week or the week before I told you, we always start with a bigger number. And if you notice on these problems, the bigger numbers do not have any dots on them. Okay, so we're going to start with 9, and we're going to count up. So we have 9, here, let me get this, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, I just counted up on my dots on my 5. So 9 plus 5 is 14. Now another way I could do that is I could find 9 on my hundreds chart, right? And I can count up 5 more. 9, 1, 2, 3, 4. Whoops, I didn't count up. Oh, okay. Then 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, I'm really just not thinking today. Okay, so 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 gives us 14. Or another thing I can do is I can have, and it doesn't matter which order you do it. Since the first number is actually 5, I can have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 X's. And then I can draw 9 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so I have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, that's another way to do it. Or if you have objects, you can get 5 objects out and then count out 9 objects and then count them all together. All right, let's do another one. This time, let's do 5 plus 6. Okay, so I hope you can see the dots on here. 6 is bigger than 5, so it doesn't have any dots, so I'm going to start counting with 6. I'm going to say 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. All right. And again, I could write, let's say I draw, okay, it's actually 5 plus 6, so I draw 5 zeros. And then I draw 6 zeros. Wait, here's 5. And then I'm going to draw 6. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. Or again, I said we could use our hundreds chart. So I find 5, and I'm going to add 6 to it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And there we are at the number 11. Okay. Okay, I'm going to do one more with you. All right, let's do this one. 2 plus 7. Now 7's bigger, so I'm going to start with the 7. 7, 8, 9. Okay, there's only 2 dots on the 9. On the 2. I'm being silly. Okay. So I can just use this. I can say 7 and then count 8, 9, or I can make two, let's see, boxes. 2 boxes. And then I can make 7 boxes. I'm going to make those 7 boxes in a different color. 2, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so I have 2, 1, 2, and I have 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So if I count them all together, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right. Well, like I said before, I really miss you guys, and I really hope you're enjoying the time at home. And hopefully we'll see each other soon. I don't know if it'll be this school year or if it'll have to be in the fall. But either way, I miss you guys, and just have a good time. All right. Bye-bye.